So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. And this video is not about a particular topic because I was very confused and some there are a lot of things that I have been noticing from past 2, 3 or 4 days, and it is that in this world, every third person they just brag useless stuff like I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to be that, I will be that, but they never take a step toward what they want to do. Like, they just brag enough to seek attention, they just brag enough to seek validation, but they don't do anything about that. I will be this, I am that, I am that, I have this, I did that. But when you see them, you will realize that either they are lying or they want to seek attention. Like, people want to seek validations of others, and this is something which is very dangerous, and it should be like we should avoid it. This is very dangerous. People will tell you that there was a time I went through this, I have been through hell, and I am like this because at that time I can't do that. Like, either they brag about their future, that I will be this in my future, I will be that in my future, or they will say that the person that I'm now is because of the past. Like, I have been so much through my past, I have been through hell in my past. But you want to know the main reason? The main problem is that, like, I seriously believe in this fact that those who escape hell never talks about it, and nothing much bothers them after that. You need to know about this thing, and we all need to know about these things. Like, never brag about any useless thing unless you achieve it. Just be confident enough to share your dream confidently and say that I will achieve it. But don't seek validation or don't brag useless things out of your mouth. I will be this, I did that to him, I did this to him. Why? Like, I can seriously see that you are lying or that you just want useless attention from your surrounding. This is, I don't like. This is something which I hate about humans. But of course, I can't blame anyone for that. I need to be nice. People, they just want to seek attention, and humans forget to be kind. Like, I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube. Be selfish. Being selfish is the only thing that is gonna help you in your life. And like this, like, I am against people pleasing. I don't support people pleasing, but being selfish is not right. At least see that the person in front of you has been going through something all these times. Don't be a people pleaser, but always be kind. I will always say you be kind, because kindness is the only thing that people lack in these times. They have useless confidence. Like, people say useless stuff with so much confidence, and people with a good mind, people with a good heart, people with kind nature, they always feel insecure about them. Can you see this irony? Like people who have the potential, people who have that level of intelligence, people with that knowledge, that good knowledge, they are insecure about themselves. And people with useless bragging useless stuff, people with shit level of knowledge, they'll be like, oh my god, like, they have so much confidence in them. you know Confidence is sign of a narcissist. But confidence is good. I'm not saying confidence is bad, but what I see that most of the time narcissists are very confident about themselves. And this is something we need to learn from selfish people who always think about themselves. Confidence. The confidence that these narcissists and selfish people contain in themselves, you good people need to learn it from them. Because good, kind, and those people who have the potential always they stay behind because of this useless thing. They don't have their confidence with them. Sometimes I feel sad for these kind of people. Like they are wasting their life just being whatever the shit they are doing. So yeah, that's it for this video. I would like to end this video by saying that a plane is there. So yeah, I would like to end this video by saying that always be kind and confident, and don't brag useless stuff. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you very much.